Hey, did y'all realize it is a 100% impossibility to grow your own food unless you start planting your own food? Let's plant some garlic. First, I got my garden bed ready by opening up the first couple inches of soil and then putting compost on top of that. We're gonna plant each individual clove. You do not plant the whole bulb. We're gonna plant them about 4 to 6 inches apart. So when you're planting them, the bottom is the blunt end, the end that came off where the roots is. The top is the pointy end. That's gonna go up, this part's gonna go down. Ready? We're gonna push it, and we want a little bit sticking out of the soil, just like that. And we're gonna go about 4 to 6 inches over, do the same thing. 4 to 6 inches over, do the same thing. All the way down this 40-foot row. Tip for you when you're planting your garlic this fall. Just broke apart this bulb of garlic, and you see there's multiple different sizes. You got big ones and then small ones. If you want big garlic next year, don't plant the small ones. Only plant the big ones. I don't really care either way. I don't mind small ones because I turn the small ones into garlic powder. But if you're only looking for big bulbs of garlic, only plant your biggest ones and you'll get the biggest bulbs. We're gonna have well over 200 bulbs of garlic next year. I will shred a whole bunch of leaves with my lawnmower, and then I'll put probably about 1 inch of leaf mulch over this bed when it all dies back in the winter.